Today we are going to understand one of the most confusing JavaScript interview questions. Why does setTimeout inside a for loop behave differently when we use var versus let? Don't worry, by the end of this video you will not only understand the behavior, but you'll also be able to visualize it step by step. First, let's understand the problem. When we use a for loop with var, and inside it we write a setTimeout, all the timeouts log the same final value of the variable. But when we use let, each iteration remembers its own value and prints correctly. Sounds confusing? Let's break it down step by step. Imagine we have a for loop running from 0 to 4. With var, the variable I is function scoped. That means there is only one I shared by all iterations. So what happens? The loop finishes quickly. By the time setTimeout runs, the value of I has already become 5. That's why all logs show 5. Now, with let, the variable I is block scoped. That means for every iteration, JavaScript creates a brand new copy of I. So what happens here? Each timeout remembers its own value of I. When executed, it logs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly as we expected. Let's think of a real-life example. Imagine you are sending 5 emails using the loop. With var, by the time the emails are actually sent, they all mistakenly use the same recipient, the last one in the loop. With let, each email is sent to the correct recipient, because each iteration has its own memory of the variable. Key takeaway: var, function scoped, shared across the whole loop, leading to unexpected results inside async functions. Let, block scoped, unique for each iteration, works perfectly with async functions like setTimeout. This is why modern JavaScript developers prefer let or const over var. It avoids hidden bugs and makes the code more predictable. So next time you face this interview question, not only can you explain the difference, but also visualize it in terms of memory and scope. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animated programming concepts.